Hey, good morning. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. Yesterday, that was my fish thing, by the way. Yesterday, I caught some fish. Chris and I caught some fish. We caught some flounder, which I filleted. Look at those babies. And some trout fillets. And I'm really hungry. So today, I'm going to make myself some pan-fried fish, flounder and trout. And I'm just going to make up a recipe, and I'll tell you if I like it, and then you guys can write it down if you want to try it. So, I'm going to start off with 2 eggs. Uno. 2. Whip them up real quick. I'm going to call this Paul's famous pan-fried fish. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to get some honey mustard, Dijon, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of that. There we go. Tablespoon of that in there. My fork there. Some Worcester sauce. I don't know how you pronounce that. Look at that. That's what it is. I got my new teeth. Not my new teeth. I got my false teeth in, so it's hard to say. There, I'm just going to put a little teaspoon in of this. All right. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of mayonnaise in there. Now, this is my own recipe. I hope it works. Then I'm going to put half a cup of milk, which I know what a half a cup of milk looks like. Right about there. I'm going to whisk all this up. Smells good. Okay, you know what I need? Need my whisk. There we go. The reason I'm using this bowl is because it's easier to put the fillets in here. So I want to get all that mixed in really, really well. The reason I'm doing a video on cooking today is my back is killing me. I don't know what I did yesterday. Maybe it was that great big shark that I tried to pull in. Or I don't know what it was, but man, my back was killing me when I got off the boat last night, and it's still not good today. But that's okay. I deal with that all the time. Okay, now with that in mind, I got everything whipped up. I want to dip my fish in there. And then, I got some cornmeal, some yellow cornmeal from Quaker. So I'm going to try some Quaker cornmeal. I usually do my own, I do fish batter, but I saw this. I hope my wife wasn't planning on using this for something else. I'll find out when she gets back from Indiana. Then I'm going to put in some Parmesan cheese in with my cornmeal mixture. I know it's crazy, right? But I got a good feeling I want to get in trouble for using my Parmesan cheese. There we go. It smells great. Now that, since the cheese is kind of clumpy, I'm going to break it up. And it smells good. I'm telling you right now. I'm going to call this Parmesan pan-fried flounder. That's what I'm going to call this baby. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all up real good. Smash that Parmesan cheese in there real well. Let's put my milk away. $2.95 for a half a gallon of milk. What is happening to our world? I don't go grocery shopping, but today I needed some milk so I could have breakfast, you know, for my cereal. So I went and got some milk, got a haircut, got a nice haircut today at the base, and stopped in the commissary, which is supposed to be real cheap. $2.95 for a half a gallon of milk. Whew, okay. I got my oil going, so I'm gonna move my camera over there and start frying this fish. So, 1 minute, please. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah, that didn't work. I'm just gonna go ahead and move you over there. I'm gonna move this over there too. Okay, now don't put a lot of oil in your pan, but enough that your fillets set in there and get oil on it. And you don't want it steaming hot. I mean, you want it hot, but you don't want it to be chiller hot, if you know what I'm saying. All right. So, I'm ready for that. I'm first going to do my flounder. I'm going to do my flounder first. So, with that being said, hopefully everybody can see it. If not, I'm going to raise it up just a smidge. I'm going to run my flounder through this mixture. Oh, that looks good already. Look at the fillets I got off that. I mean, if you watched my video yesterday, look at the fillets I got off that flounder. 4 of them, because they both, you know, there's 2 sides of a flounder. 4 fillets off of this flounder. I'm telling you what, that was a nice flounder. And I already can tell you, without even cooking, that this stuff is going to be good. All right, set that in there. And shake and bake. Okay. I'm positive that's ready, but yep. She's ready. She's ready to go. So I'm gonna take my flounder fillets one at a time. This is my 3rd fork I've dirtied. And I'm not really a cook, but I've dirtied 4 forks already. I like picking up with a fork because 1, I don't get messy, and B, I don't get messy. Here we go. I like putting the fat pieces in first, give them time to cook, because the skinnier pieces, they cook like potato chips. So I'm gonna get the fat ones in. And then this last one's kind of skinny, but that's okay. Still a fillet. There we go. Pretty excited. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm gonna let you see it. See, I don't have it up too high, but I don't have it too low, and I've got just enough oil in the pan to fry it without saturating it with oil. I'm gonna turn it up just a smidge. About 5.5. Okay, so I'm going to cook this nice and slowly, and I'll flip it over in a little bit, and then I'll show you how it looks. All right? Okay, pull out for a minute. When you're pan frying your fish, is don't turn it too early. You want to make sure that it gets nice and crispy on the first side. Make sure it gets crispy before you flip it. If not, it won't stay together. It'll fall apart. So you want it nice and crispy before you flip this. Now this is the biggest piece here, so I'm gonna let that cook a little more. This is that skinny piece. It's gonna be done shortly. It's probably ready. You see where the pink is, and then it gets a little yellow right here. This is the part that's getting done quicker. So when I turn it over, that pink will get done a lot better as well. So these skinny pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and flip. Oh, yeah, you see how nice and brown that is? That's what you're looking for. This fat one, not ready to go yet. This tiny skinny piece, keep ready to go. These two chubby pieces, I'm gonna let them cook a little longer on that side, and then I'm gonna flip them. And then I'm gonna eat them because it looks really good. So, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna do some more fishing with Chris, hopefully tomorrow. And I will show you the outcome of these fishes after they're done. And I hope they turn out well. I think they will. But thanks for watching. And I'm almost done. I'm getting ready to eat it. So I'm gonna just keep on rolling because I don't want too short of a video. I want to set you down right here, right there. And at the end, right when it's almost done, I'm gonna put some more Parmesan on top of the fish. After I let them soak on that paper towel. Flipping the bigger ones now. Oh. There we go. I want to show you, I gotta show you what they look like. See how that's nice and crispy looking? I mean, that looks, I'm hungry for one thing. And Milo must have been barking at something. Maybe he's getting hungry. I'm gonna cook it like that for about 3 more minutes. The littler ones are just about done. All right, then I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it. Okay, we got 2 pieces done. These are the small side of the flounder. The skinny side and the other side is still frying a little bit. We'll part some Parmesan cheese on this. And this I'm gonna call Parmesan pan-fried flounder. Look at that. Doesn't that not look good? I'm so hungry, I'm gonna eat it right now. Okay, I'm back, I'm ready to eat. I mean, you're not gonna watch me eat, but I am gonna take a bite and see what it tastes like. First, I gotta put some poppy seed on my salad. And of course, guess who's coming around? As soon as they hear me sit down, guess who comes down? Comes out of his room. It's Milo. Milo, say hi. Come here. Come up here. Say hi. There, that's a good boy. Get the hair out. Every time I sit down here to eat, this guy comes. Don't you? Okay. I'm getting ready to take a good bite. And see what it tastes like. Oh, look at that. It's nice and crunchy. I want to have to, excuse me, go back, watch this video, write down all my ingredients I put in this thing. It is fabulous. I'm going to make this for my wife when she gets home. Oh my goodness. Milo, you want to try a piece? Oh, he gave me one paw up. That means it's really, really good. I think he wants more, but he's not getting any more. Hey, welcome back. I just finished cooking the rest of the fish, some trout. So I know my daughter's working hard and her son's at home, my grandson, a little 7-year-old Mason. So I'm gonna do a Grubhub delivery with a plate of fish for both of them. And they ought to be surprised, maybe. Maybe they'll like it. More to come. Paul out.
What do you tell them?
Hey, this is delivered it to my grandson, David. Say hey, Mason. Rub up. Go put it on your table.
Are you going?
Yes. I cooked you guys lunch.
All right.
Are you thrilled? What do you say?
Ooh, look at that.
Parmesan, pan-fried trout.
Yum.
You wanted fish last night, so I brought you some.
There you go.
All right, you guys got to taste it. Let me know, and then I got to go.
Okay, bye.
No,
bite.
taste it. Take
a
a
bite.
bite. Are you going to just pick it up like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really?
Very good.
What do you think, Mason?
Good.
All right, there you have it. They say it's good, so try it. Paul out.